Welcome back to another video of UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, I will guide you how to apply for sponsor license refund. Many applicants think that they cannot get the sponsor license refund for the fees, but that's not the case. So today we will discuss the law, when you can apply, how you can apply, and where you can get the refund and how long it will take. If you have paid for expedited processing of an employer sponsor license application, your fees will be refunded if you have withdrawn your application before submitting your mandatory documents. So for example, you start the application and you fill the application in rush without applying the insurance or the lease document, and you have paid them the fees as well, but you're not getting the documents. So the best is you have 5 days to submit the documents. Withdraw your application and you will get the full refund back. You do not submit all your mandatory documents within the specified time scale. So for example, you were given 5 days and you have not submitted. You can get the refund again in that case. Now, what about the premium service refund? Because that's very important and you pay so much, like it's a £20,000 for large sponsors, £20,000 sponsor license fees. The Home Office is unable to process your application within the premium service timescale because the application is deemed complex. The Home Office is unable to process your application within the premium service timescales due to its own error. The sponsor license application is invalid. In that case, you are eligible for refund. But in some cases, you are not eligible for refund. What are those cases? In that case, you will not get refund. For example, you have withdrawn your application after submitting your mandatory documents. So you have submitted all the documents and then you withdraw your application. You won't get the refund. The Home Office is unable to process your application within the premium service timescale because it requires additional information which you do not provide in time. For example, they ask you to provide insurance document or the updated bank statement because the bank statement was very old. Now, in that case, your application will be delayed, but Home Office is not liable to pay you the refund for the premium service which you have paid. Your sponsor license application is refused. So for example, you submitted the application and they have given you the refusal. In that case, you won't get the refund. And that makes sense as well because they have provided you the decision and that's why they you cannot, but you can claim in those cases, the one which we just discussed. Now, how to contact the Home Office. So if you watch this video, in this video, I have explained how to contact UK Home Office. It's a complete guidance. You pay £2.70 for the service and this is how you ask for the refund in this video. So this video, I'll put the description in the description as well and that will guide you. Next question is how long it takes to get the refund. So Home Office do not publish any information regarding where and how much time it will take. Like it's not mentioned anywhere on any website. If you have requested an application fee refund and are waiting for the response, the only thing you can do is contact UKVI like an update. So like I said, watch this video. This video will guide you how to contact UKVI. Now let's discuss additional cost. Can you get the refund for it? Ex gratia payment, that's what we call. If the Home Office has made a mistake in handling your application and you feel you deserve to be reimbursed the cost other than your application fee. For example, because of their error, it costs you a flight, it costs you hotel, it costs you loss of replaced documents. You can make a complaint and you may be awarded ex gratia payment. Now, what is ex gratia payment? So for that, we will go again on gov.uk website and we will look for the ex gratia payment. This was updated on 29th of August 2024. And if we see the description, an ex gratia payment is a sum of money paid where there is no obligation or liability to pay it. Immigration Enforcement, UK Visa and Immigration Border Force make ex gratia payment to customers beyond any legal or statutory requirement. So this is the complete guidance. You can see that you have actual financial loss. You can claim that as well. And you can also claim non-financial loss. Now, what is non-financial loss? Non-financial loss is basically emotional stress caused you, or because of them, it cost you like something you were not well, and something you paid the like, you it costs you the time. Your time is also money, so you can claim that as well. For financial loss, you can claim, for example, anything for your flights, anything which has cost you something because of their mistake. And so, for example, they decided, you submitted the sponsor license application and they gave you the wrong answer. You already paid so much money for the license fees, this, your insurance and all that stuff, and now it costs you all because of their error. So obviously you can claim that money. If you don't know how to claim, you won't get that claim. So you should know where to click and how to claim. So for example, travel cost, train cost, petrol cost, mileage cost, taxis, accommodation cost. So it's all mentioned on gov.uk website, and they also provided the case study. How will you calculate how much it will cost you? So all these things. So I hope this video helped you. If you have not watched my how to apply UK sponsor license video, do watch this video. There's a complete guidance on my channel about the sponsor license. I have created loads of videos. All these videos will help you. So watch these videos for your guidance.